The Diagnostics Dashboard from CodeBOT is an interactive control panel that serves as both a visual diagnostic summary and a command center for automated HTML repair. It identifies and categorizes structural or semantic issues, each displaying a real-time badge counter, indicating the number of detected instances. This dashboard serves as a pre-publication quality control layer, where its core functionalities are issue detection and selective execution. Each issue is shown as a labeled checkbox, with the number of instances found, and users can run individual fixes or apply all detected corrections at once. It also adapts automatically for bilingual content. The main components include Smart Scan. This automatically fixes all detected issues with a single click. Syntax Cleanup. This is where formatting inconsistencies are corrected, including deprecated code, extra spaces, empty tags, and punctuation. Document Structure. In this section, you'll find operations to repair lists, headings, tables, auto-generate footnotes, and wrap code or semantic sections for accessibility. URL Processing. This makes all links environment ready, like decoding safe links by removing extra tracking or redirection added by email security services, and converting URLs for content management systems compatibility. And the Table of Contents, where it generates full or sectional navigation for structured documents. To illustrate how it works, let's look at the automated table captioning operation called Add Table Captions. This feature provides real-time status feedback on whether each table requires a caption tag, using 3 possible states. The auto process state, that displays the number of tables that can have caption tags out of the total tables detected. The needs review state, that indicates any remaining tables that still require manual review, as they may or may not need a caption tag. And the complete state, that clears the count status in the dashboard, but confirms in the console log panel that all tables have been properly captioned. This automated captioning feature significantly reduces manual effort while ensuring consistent and accessible table markup across all documents, balancing automation with manual review where needed. So, acting as both a status monitor and an action interface, the Diagnostics Dashboard from CodeBOT lets you selectively apply automated fixes or run full repairs with precision. It ensures that your structured HTML content is accessible, consistent, and standards compliant before publication.